aim and fire. Oh, can't do this. It's too accurate a detector. May need my backup plan. It was nice, wasn't it? Eat up. There we go. Shocker. I'm on my last one. There we go. Now, I'm all out. This is the first test of the CTEK active smoke detector. It doesn't connect to the panel properly, so because it doesn't set it off, but I was going to set it off with a party popper and I'll show you the failed video of that, but I'm going to test it with some Lynx deodorant now. It's antiperspirant, so it'll probably damage it, but oh well. I don't really care. Don't really like it. Oh well. Amazing. And it's active. Get it? Aren't I clever? Put the key in. I like anti-tamper detectors. They're very smart. Especially when they come off their bases. There we go. There's the base. This is the detector. Happy New Year, everybody. See you in the next video.